Activate turbo pump. No, that's the thrust vectors. Activate turbo pump. Oh, no, that's not. That's the thrust vectors again. Okay. Just the turbo pump.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Ship them. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this is the group I've been waiting for, yes! Come in! I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would set my brains into danger? You insult my honor, and believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get those profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn your lives and money. Welcome, right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxial. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move out, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I won't be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here. Go.
This way for me. You're gonna head inside, take a seat, please. Once you're seated, make sure you buckle up.
Seated and supervise younglings.
Same positions.
Right here, Frankie.
Every time we go to Disneyland together, we'll do
Your seatbelts are going to be on the outside by your hips. They will go across your laps to the center. Those seatbelts are required for takeoff. They'll keep you in your seats when your pilots inevitably crash.
You're gonna hit this button. Can you reach that button? Yeah, that's your button. You got yours, Frankie?
Hurry now, time is money.
Alright, go ahead and tug on those yellow tabs at the inner seatbelts for me, please. Tug on those yellow tabs at the inner seatbelts. Hit all those flashing
Hit all
buttons.
these buttons. Look at these buttons. Hit all the buttons.
Flight engineer, repair next. Hit your flashing buttons. Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Let's do this.
Yes, keep shooting. They've not gone to us. Take evasive action.
I got control, John!
After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons! Excellent! Now gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brave!
I'm sorry, I can't reach
Well,
the
my
frame.
friends, that could have been much worse.
Okay.
Okay, it's much worse.
Let's give this another try. Alright, guys.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, gravity go axiom.
We got someone
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Harpoons, keep shooting. Jump, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. But we made it. Now,
Oh, you gotta save
let's
the
get out.
Let's get out of here. You gotta save the fight.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Hey, I'm better than last time, eh? Pirate, nice.
R5, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, could be
What
worse.
do you want now? I won't be taking it anywhere.
Life support failure. Okay, that's all. Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.